Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so today we are going to next material. So before next the material, we pray together and then berdoa menurut kepercayaan masing-masing. Berdoa dipersilakan. Oke, berdoa selesai. So after prayer, I would like to skip to check see who is the person. Ya, saya ingin absen. I want to hear voice from Baba Sandapande.
Present, Miss.
Okay. And then Ari Nugraha.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. And then Diki Firmansyah.
Present, Miss.
Okay, so after the absent, we are going to be discuss about the material. And the material today is greeting. So I want to share my screen. You can see my screen.
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Okay, so before I next the material, I want to tell why we learn about greeting. It is you can see learning objective of greeting. Ya, jadi bagaimana kalian untuk apa dan tujuan dan manfaat apa yang bisa kalian dapatkan dari mempelajari greeting ini. The first is find and understand the function of greetings. Bisa memahami fungsi dari greeting. And number two is able to greet and respond to greetings from others. And number three is introducing yourself and others. And number four is use the expression to interact with friends. And the last is say hello and respond to others and restrictions. So that's all about learning objective of greeting. Jadi kalian bisa sekarang tahu apa tujuan dari pembelajaran greeting. Sekarang saya minta kalian to open the book, page 4 about greeting. Ya, start from now. The time start from now. Okay, after reading the book, I want to give you some pictures and then look at the pictures. What do you think? Ask your name and raise your hands, please. Okay, anyone can help me to answer this?
Sorry, Miss, can you repeat again the question or your explanation?
Oh, okay. What do you think about this? There are three pictures. What do you think?
Okay, I will answer or I will explain to you. I think the picture is explained about two person which they meet and kalau bahasa Indonesia itu mereka ketemu dan saling sapa. Kalau dari gambar kedua dan ketiga itu ada penjelasan bahwa "Hi, good morning." Temannya jawab "Hi." Terus yang ketiga itu mereka kayak kenalan atau mereka baru berkenalan dan bilang "Nice to meet you." Terus yang teman yang diajak dia bicara itu bilang "Nice to meet you too." Jadi itu tuh sebuah apa namanya kalau di baru gini tuh namanya respon positif gitulah. Jadi ya mungkin seperti itu aja, Miss. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you, Baba. Anyone?
Tapi Miss, ya, dalam picture nomor 3, saya rasa itu adalah salam untuk perpisahan untuk berjumpa di kemudian hari. Itu bagi saya, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Anyone?
Can I answer the question, Miss?
Yes, of course.
Okay, from the two pictures, I think that that's all about the greeting. The first is the first picture until three picture is also about the greeting. That's my my answer. Miss. Thank you.
Okay, all of your answer is true. Jadi three pictures is about greeting. Yeah, good. So the next slide. Okay. In the picture, from the picture 1, yeah, please answer what they doing. And then the picture 2, what are they doing? What your opinion? Yes, of course.
Okay, we can see in that picture, we can two picture has same. I think it is same situation like bertemu sama-sama bertemu tapi yang pertama saya pikir itu mereka ketemu sesama teman atau rekan bisnis mungkin jadinya mereka pasti bertanya what are you doing atau bahasa Indonesianya bagaimana kabarmu, bukan berarti what are you doing itu apa yang kamu lakukan. Terus yang kedua menurut saya itu dia adalah seorang customer hotel. Kalau dari saya lihat dari dua gambar yang laki-laki dan wanita yang berbaju hitam itu sepertinya petugas hotel atau petugas yang menerima tamu. Jadinya dia bertanya how are you doing. Jadi bisa diartikan kayak apa yang kamu perlukan, kayak gimana ya gitulah kira-kira. Maaf.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Baba. And anyone else?
Saya mau menjawab, Miss.
Ya, silakan.
Dari dua gambar yang dari dua gambar yang disajikan, gambar pertama itu mungkin antara sesama rekan kerja, mereka bertemu, dan yang kedua itu antara antara petugas hotel dengan tamu. Jadi kalau nomor satu ditanya what are they doing, we are meet in the one of place, and then how are they doing in the picture two, that's about what's that, berjabat tangan. So that, jadi itu jawaban dari saya. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Diki. Anyone? Oke, jika tidak ada, I want to answer this. From the picture one, what are they doing? They are introducing and then greeting. And then from the picture two, well, how are they doing? They are seperti yang dikatakan Diki tadi, yaitu handshake, ya, introduction and then greeting. Jadi itu yang terdapat dalam gambar tersebut, aktivitas yang dilakukan oleh gambar tersebut. So we'll be continue the activity, yeah, with my friend.
Sambil di record ya, tapi ini kayaknya waktunya udah lagi dikit, mending close dulu, rekam lagi, nanti tinggal sambungin aja videonya.
Ya, nanti giliran kamu.
Soalnya langsung aku kan. Okay, good morning everyone.
Morning.
Okay, in this meeting we're going to learn about greeting. So before we continue, do you know what is greeting? Anyone can explain to me what's greeting?
Can I try, sir?
Yes, of course, Mega.
I think greeting is usually used by someone to do greeting or greeting with someone else. Okay, thank you, sir.
Anyone? Diki, Ari?
Yes, sir. I think greeting is salaman. For example, can say someone greeting.
Okay, good. Anyone?
Can I try answer?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Greeting in Indonesia is that salam. So greeting is the sentence to use to greet someone in one of place. So that's about the greeting from me. Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, all of you has a good response. Okay, now I'll explain you what is greeting. The greeting is an expression when we meet someone and say greeting or greetings, like Mega and Diki say. Greeting is an activity that we often do. We even do it every day when we are going to say greeting. To greet our can say a greeting or greeting. For the example, good morning, hello, hey, and many more. You can say the picture above, like 2 slides before this slide. Before we move to the next, do you know what purpose of greeting. Hello, Diki, want to answer? Maybe you unmute your mic.
Hmm,
Anyone can explain what the purpose of greeting?
can I try, sir?
Of course, you do.
The purpose of greeting is to greet the someone. Like,
Okay, good. Anyone else? Anyone? No more answer. No more explanation. Okay, if not, no more explanation from you guys, I'll explain you about the purpose of greeting is to open an activity which contains the opening greetings prayer. Okay, in greeting, there are two types of greeting must be known. The first is formal greeting, which is that are often used at formal event, such as meeting with someone. For the example, good night and many more. The second one is informal greeting, is an greeting that you can use to greet those as close to you, such as friend, family, or. Okay, that's all about my explanation about greeting. Continue to my friend. Thank you.
okay, okay, student. My name is Niki Firmansyah. From the explanation has given about introducing greeting and type of greeting, I want to see how long about your understood the material. So I will give you one video about greeting. So you can watch the video and and you can write the point of in the video. Okay. Happy watching. Okay, finish. Oke. Setelah kalian melihat video tadi, saya ingin bertanya, dari video yang sudah ditampilkan tadi itu termasuk tipe yang mana? Tipe greeting yang mana? Mungkin kalau bisa menjawab, silakan angkat tangan dan sebutkan nama.
Can I try, sir?
Yes, of course. What is your name?
My name is Mega.
Okay, Mega. Can you answer the questions after you watching the video? What type was it?
Okay, after I watch the video, I think the type is formal greeting, such as good morning, good afternoon, and good night. That's all from me. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyone can answer the questions? No one? Okay. So, your friend answer is true. That video about the formal greeting. What's that? Because in that video, you can see this is you can formal greeting you can use to someone. Maybe you have new friends, or you meet someone in other place. So jadi setelah kalian menonton video tersebut, apa sudah terbayang bagaimana membuat membuat dialog? Apakah sudah terbayang di pikiran kalian bagaimana membuat dialog tentang greeting? Apakah sudah ada bayangannya?
Yes, sir. Saya dapat membayangkannya sedikit-sedikit.
Oke, baik. Jika sudah kalian membayangkan, aktivitas kalian kali ini, saya ingin kalian membuat sebuah dialog about greeting. Saya akan berikan waktu 5 menit untuk berdiskusi tentang dialog yang akan kalian tulis di tugas kali ini. Oke? Dalam 5 menit ya, tugas membuat dialog tentang greeting. Mungkin ada yang ingin bertanya dulu sebelum saya bebaskan membuat tugas.
Not yet. Clear.
Oke. Jadi jika tidak ada yang bertanya, Bapak buat satu kelompok itu 3 orang ya. Jadi silakan kalian berdiskusi dengan kelompok. Bapak persilakan kalian untuk bebas memilih kelompok. Silakan dikerjakan. Dalam 5 menit ya.
Oke, sir.
Sudah selesai? Apakah sudah selesai semuanya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Almost clear.
Okay, can you practice to me or show to me your group work?
Okay, I will start.
Yes, we can.
Okay. Can you start the conversation?
Okay, I will start.
Okay.
Good morning, Ari and Baba.
Good morning, Mega.
Hello. Good morning.
Okay, how are you? How are you?
I'm good.
How about you, Baba? Hello, Baba. How about you?
Hello, Baba.
I'm good.
Okay.
Sorry, sir. My connection was lost.
Okay, no problem, Baba.
Can we?
You want to repeat the conversation? If you want to repeat, okay.
Okay,
I
sir.
give you the.
Can you
Uh,
repeat?
okay. Okay.
Okay, I
You can
repeat,
start
sir.
again.
Okay, I will start, sir. Good morning, Ari and Baba.
Good morning,
Good
Mega.
morning, Mega.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Long time no see.
I'm almost good.
And you,
Okay.
Mega?
Oh, I'm great. Long time no see. I hope you are still healthy. Okay, nice to meet you, Baba and Ari.
Okay, Mega.
Nice to meet you, Mega.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
That's all. Conversation.
Okay. Okay. Good. 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 Uh, maybe. Jadi itu tentang contoh conversation tentang greeting. Sekarang kerjanya sudah sangat bagus. Kalian sudah memahami materi kali ini. Jadi karena kalian sudah memahami dan ikut berpartisipasi pada pembelajaran kali ini, saya akan cukupkan dan akan memberikan kalian sedikit tugas untuk next meeting. Oke, untuk next meeting, the assessment for next meeting akan dikasih oleh teman saya.
Baik, nama saya Ari Nugraha. Because you have followed today lesson and also you have practice it right away. So the conclusion is of our material this time is we know the definition of greeting, purpose of greeting, type of greeting, and also example of formal and informal greeting. From the material, you can tell the difference. Saya harap kalian tidak melupakan material hari ini dan selalu mengingatnya. Dan selalu melakukan setiap hari kepada orang lain. And I will give you the text so that you don't forget today the material. Saya akan memberikan kalian tugas dan saya harap kalian ingat dan catat tugas ini. Baik, tugasnya adalah buatlah sebuah percakapan tentang greeting dan percakapan tentang greeting tersebut kalian buat dan akan dilakukan dengan teman Anda sendiri dan kalian akan mempraktekannya di depan kelas pada pertemuan berikutnya. Jadi, buat dengan baik dan benar. Sebelum itu, apakah ada pertanyaan dari kalian?
Dari saya tidak ada, Sir.
I want to ask you, sir, untuk due date-nya pengumpulan tugas.
Oke, Mika.
Thank you.
Untuk due date-nya adalah minggu depan pada pertemuan berikutnya. Sudah jelas? Oke, segitu untuk pertemuan hari ini. Saya harap Anda bisa menjaga kondisi Anda dan protokol kesehatan jika keluar rumah. Saya tutup dengan doa. Baik, dimulai. Doa selesai. Oke, thank you. Kalian bisa keluar dari ini.
See you, Sir.
See you, sir. Thank you for today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thanks
you
for
for today.